Hello, my beauties. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Julia from Juren Beauty, and I'm so excited to be able to present you our Juren facials in a box. Now, Renee and I have been working really hard to develop 3 different facial boxes for you. We have our essential facial box and our deluxe facial box. So we've got this one and we've got this one. Now, both of these come with little sample sizes of your skincare regime. So basically in these boxes, there's everything you need for a single facial in the essential facial box. In the deluxe facial, you'd get 2 facials out of. So you've got your little mini sample sizes down here, and you can customize your skincare for that. So when you order, there's a drop down little menu, and you can choose whether you want balanced skincare range for those of you who have more of an oil flow or more acneic skin type. The mask will also be customized to that skin type as well. If you've got combination skin type, you'd select that, or if you wanted delicate or anti-aging, you would select that as well. Now, in this fabulous little box, we have our brand new, I super love these. These are little hand crocheted, and these are little facial cleansing pads. So it's double-sided, it's like a little clam, and they're fabulous for cleansing off your product. Now, these, you can chuck them in the dish, not in the dishwasher, in the washing machine, in between hand, and they will come out and be like brand new again. You've also got your little headband in here. You've got your little disposables. You've got a cosmeceutical, a half size in the cosmeceutical eye serum, and you've got your lip balm, and you've got the beautiful silk mask. Now, these silk masks are amazing because the silk, they come on a silk sheet, and you peel them off the other sheet and you apply them, and then you can relax for 20 minutes while they're on, but it allows the product to penetrate deeper into the skin. There's something very special about the silk. Now, that was our essential box, so that's perfect for one facial at home. And then we have our beautiful deluxe box. Now, this particular box you would get 2 facials out of. And this one also has the 50 gram size, so a half size in the antioxidant hydrating mist, which has the hyaluronic acid. So that's perfect to spray on before you pop on your silk mask. Now, this comes with 2 of the silk masks in there. This one, rather than it being a clam shape facial pad, this one has the pyramid shape. So this is really ideal for getting right up there underneath your eyes. So if you want to remove your eye makeup, it's perfect for that. Or in your nose crease there, it's perfect for that. And that's really great for removing your AHA facial exfoliant and the little bamboo granules, or any of your masks as well. The added bonus with this box that I love is that you get that little bit of extra relaxation because it comes with a beautiful eye pillow, and it also has one of our full-size meditation blends essential oils. So when you've got your mask on, you can sit back and relax and put your eye pillow on. You might be deciding to do it in a bath and make it super relaxing, but you can enjoy that. And then afterwards you can pop on your little lip balm and your eye serum, and you're all set to go. Now, with both of those boxes and even the third box, you get the little coupon in there which gives you 10% off your next online order with Juren Beauty. So that's a little added bonus. So if you love anything in these boxes, you can purchase it again and you can get that 10% discount off it. Now, our last box, which I super love, is called our Juren VIP Facial Box. Now, this box is designed for those clients who are already using our skincare range or another skincare range at home. This is for our clients who love to have regular facials and want that extra pampering at home. At the moment, because we are in lockdown, we're not allowed to do any services, so we've got a lot of clients who are really missing out on their regular facials, and we've designed this with you in mind. So this comes with the ultimate. It's got 3 of the anti-aging and really hydrating masks in there. It's got one of the beautiful pyramid style cotton facial pads. This one This one is like a clam as well, so it works exactly the same. You put your hand in there. And this also has the beautiful gold collagen lip and eye mask in there. You've also got the beautiful eye pillow, and you've got our meditation blend, and you get the 10% off any future your future purchase on the website. So they're really beautiful gifts, even if you want to pamper yourself and have one yourself. When you receive it, it comes in a beautiful box like this, so it's perfect to give as a gift. If you're not sure what to give your mother for Mother's Day, or if you have a friend's birthday coming up, or you know, you've got a baby shower that you're going to and you want to give them a little gift, I'd love to receive that. One of the other things that really complements these boxes that you can add on is our beautiful rose quartz facial roller. Now, these are on special through till Mother's Day. They're normally $42, but they're going to be $35 up till Mother's Day 2020. And these are fabulous for rollering in your facial masks. So the silk masks are really complemented by these, and it really helps with infusing that mask deeper into your skin. This can also be used at any time to really help with your lymphatic drainage. It helps with rosacea as well. It helps to take the redness out of skin. It's really soothing and really calming and just really indulgent as well. Whenever I use these, people always love them. So ladies, I hope you love our Juren facials in a box as much as we do. There are lots of little goodies that you can keep on using after the fact, even after you've used your masks. And if you do like any of the products on there, you can purchase them individually from our website. So please check out our website, www.jurenbeauty.com.au. Wishing you health and happiness.